take one step at one time. That's okay. Like nothing to rush. Keep a list of product that you want to do and then only select 2 on that month. So maybe list tu tak kisah list dalam you notes handphone you ke, nak list dalam Google Doc ke, dalam Google Spreadsheet ke. At least dia tak stay dalam kepala you. Sebab bila benda tu stay dalam kepala you, you akan jadi overwhelmed. Trust me. That's why everything that come across my mind, I tak akan biar dia macam dia datang sini, dia stay kat sini. Tak. Dia datang sini, dia kena stay dekat dalam spreadsheet ke, dia kena stay dekat dalam note ke apa ke. That's why I need like help, which is using productivity tools. Maksud I productivity tools tu adalah either spreadsheet ke, Google Notes ke, Google Doc ke, apa any productivity tools yang you boleh download dekat you punya phone yang you suka. Keep your idea there so that dia tak stay in your brain. You keep it there. Lepas tu bila you need idea, you can come back to the list and tengok apa yang still worth to do that require less time.